Morning. Siya kadungog. Really good.
Good.
That's a lot of weeds, huh?
Yeah, it's a lot of weeds. Trying not to get the grass, but there's not much grass. It's getting awful dry.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I
No.
don't know if Mark wants to water it or not.
Huh?
I don't know if Mark wants to put water on it or not.
I think he's planning to
Is he?
water some of the trees, just the trees.
Yeah. It's gonna what?
I think he's planning to water the trees.
Yeah. Yeah, they need it. I'm sure everything needs it.
Yeah, I can do some in here. With that, is the battery good?
Yeah. Push.
Oh, okay.
Battery is not too much more, but a little bit. No teenage boys out here.
No, I think they're still asleep.
I just knew we were working. I could use their help.
Yeah, I'll do the weed walking. Sige guys, magkuansa ko.
You guys gonna try it?
Ay,
Try it if you want it.
is that heavy?
Not heavy for me. I don't think it'd be heavy.
It's not heavy for you. Ay. Sige. Mag-weed walking sa ako guys. Grabe ang bigat. Tapos nagdidilig din kami ng ano. Yung trees namin. Ano yan siya? Clover. Zoom natin ha. Yan yun. Dami. Clover yan siya. Masipag ng mother-in-law ko. Oh. Yung sa kanya ano, yung hindi mabigat. Yung kay Mark ano siya, sobrang mabigat siya. Lalo na pag ano, in 30 minutes, ramdam mo talaga yung ano. Nangalay talaga yung ano ko. Kaliwang kamay ko. Hindi ko masyado maasa na. Are we heading home soon?
Yeah, in just a minute.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
Are you hungry? You didn't eat, huh? No. Huh? You didn't eat? You didn't eat? Gutom na ako. Mag-aalaw na.
Sure.
Let's go. I need to eat. Ayan wala na yung mga clover.
Well, you could eat something a little sooner, you know, take the edge off the appetite if you wanted to, but yeah.
Huh?
We can feed you.
But I'm thinking about, I have eggplant in the house. And chayote. Make stir fry it. I still have my
What are you thinking about?
brown
for your
rice.
husband to eat, my dear?
I'm gonna make an enchilada later man, oy.
How about?
Oh, then we can get something in here.
No, we'll find something, I'm sure. So I'm sure that's more important than what feeding your yourself, you know. I don't want it to weigh too heavily on you.
You have a something in here, oh?
What is that guy doing? Stay out of the water area, dummy.
Yeah, you stay out of water. Lake in there, oh.
Hopefully that's where they're pumping from, but I doubt it.
Oh. No, I think they're the... Yun na guys, bye. Ito guys, sinain ko na yung enchilada. Ginawa ko kanina from the oven. Yan. Nagbabubbles pa siya. Tapos yung pizza, pepperoni pizza, ginawa ko for talon. Yan. Sarap.